Hello, now we are unboxing this parcel. It's a small one. So let's check what we get inside. Quickly opening up, and this was not easy. So let's quickly, and really quickly opening up. So inside we have a box. So let's open that also. And finally, we are inside. Actually, this looks like a bundle of currency notes. Actually, it's a half bundle. That means not a complete one. Usually, it starts with 01, but this one starts like you can see on starts with 26 number and finally ends at 500. That is 401 to 500. It starts with 426. So 75 notes of a same serial bundle. Actually, we don't purchase broken bundles but this time we have purchased it for retail sales. Actually, we are selling different collections at UNC and the extra fine condition. So this is almost 75 notes UNC condition. So this will be up for sale on our website sooner, and you can purchase. If you like to purchase these, you can online check online antiacrylic.in, or you can Google search antique relic. Our website will be there. So that's all guys, hit the like button. Thank you, thanks for watching.